Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 2 Operating System. Operating system is a system software that helps you to interact with the computer hardware. Windows operating system. Windows is an operating system produced by Microsoft for use on personal computers. Microsoft first introduced an operating environment named Windows in November 1985 in response to the growing interest in graphical user interface GUI. After that, Microsoft Windows came to dominate world of personal computers. A graphical user interface GUI is a type of user interface that allows users to interact with programs in more ways than typing. A GUI offers graphical icons and visual indicators. The actions are usually performed through direct manipulation of the graphical elements. They can be directly operated using a pointing device like mouse. Windows 10 is a new release of MS Windows, a series of operating systems produced by Microsoft. Unlike its predecessor, Windows Vista, which introduced a large number of new features. Windows 10 was intended to be more focused incremental upgrade to the Windows line. In previous classes, you have learned about desktop icons, start button, and taskbar. You know how to open and close an application program and how to shut down a computer. Now we will learn how the operating system manage our files that we save. Managing documents and data. The main function of an operating system is to manage documents and data. Windows 10 manages documents and data through files and folders which are stored on different drives. Folders are containers of our files. Working with computer. Computer allows you to see the content stored on your computer. It displays all the drives, files and folders. To begin, double-click on this PC icon on the desktop or click Start button from the taskbar and type this PC in search box. A window appears as below. Disk drives. Your computer consists of many disk drives like hard disk, compact disk or CD, etc. Each disk drive is assigned a specific letter followed by a colon is referred by that. Only example, a hard disk is referred by the letter C followed by a colon. Example, C colon. Hard disk is the main storage of a computer. All the other storage devices are provided by letter. After that, in alphabetical order. Normally, the hard disk inside the computer is generally divided into two partitions, C drive and D drive. Floppy disks are obsolete, but A drive and B drive are reserved for them only. The following table describes the drives that you find on most computers. How to see the contents of a drive. To see the contents of a hard disk drive or any other disk drive, simply double-click its icon. Example, to view the content stored on the E drive, double-click its icon. This displays the various content, files and folders stored on the drive files. All the data on your computer is stored in files. There are many different types of files in a computer. For example, you can write a letter in Microsoft Word. It will be stored as a Word document file. File name extensions. All files that are saved by you have a name followed by a dot and 3-4 letters. These 3 letters associated with the file are referred to as file name extension. The extension of a file enables you to know what type of file it is and accordingly displays the file icon. The file icon represents the program that can be used to open that file. For example, in the given figure, the file named office letter .txt shows a file extension. .txt of a notepad program. File icons. All the files stored on your computer have specified file icons which display the name of the file and type the program used to open it. Example, in the figure above, the file named officeletter.txt shows an icon of the notepad program. Folders. When you create many files and store them at the same place, it becomes difficult to find a particular file. Folders are like separate holders or containers for keeping different types of things. Storing files in different folders help you to locate them easily. Creating folders help you to manage your files and folders appropriately. You can also create folders inside a folder. That inside folders are called subfolders. For example, if you have a folder named subject, then you create folders such as Maths, English, Hindi, computer, etc. for holding various files in these subfolders. Never delete any unknown files or folders, it may cause a big loss. That's all today's class. Remaining portions we will discuss in the next class. And watch the video and create a files and folders in your system. Thank you.